Dragon about 135 meters away from the space station right now. Beautiful view from the station as both of the spacecraft pass 253 statute miles over the western border of Sedan right now. Again, SpaceX Dragon packed with 3 tons of science research supplies and hardware to be delivered to the station today. Just about 2 more minutes until it gets to about 100 meters away from the International Space Station. Again, SpaceX packed with about 3 tons of scientific experiments and other supplies. Some of the experiments aboard include seedling growth number 3.
Monitor 1 is 1.5 port and half a vehicle length forward. And on monitor 3, we're about half a vehicle length starboard and lined up.
You can see that the SpaceX cargo vehicle is just a little bit misaligned from that the crosshairs there. She's just reporting that that's just a little bit off, couple meters. Everything reporting nominal here though in Mission Control Houston. SpaceX about to get about now 102 meters away from this space station. Now, the space station and the Dragon cargo vehicle on the eastern border of Egypt now passing right over the Red Sea. Cygnus now at 62 meters away from the International Space Station, approaching that 30-meter holding point. Again, that is scheduled to happen after an orbital sunset. That should happen around 8:06 or 8:07 a.m. Central Time today. Right here is the view that our 2 astronauts aboard the International Space Station now in the cupola at the controls of the robotic arm. This is the view they have of the Dragon cargo vehicle as it approaches the International Space Station. This view here again from the cupola workstation, that bay window that's on the nadir side or the Earth-facing side of Node 3 Tranquility. The International Space Station and the Dragon spacecraft now crossing over the northern border of China into an orbital sunset. Seeing an orbital sunrise there at the bottom left of your screen, right when the lighting conditions are sufficient, we'll be doing a go, no go for capture. They're actually starting to go around the room right now to use that station's robotic arm to capture the SpaceX vehicle. Now seeing an orbital sunrise, the station and the Dragon, 260 statute miles over the South Pacific Ocean, going into an orbital sunrise approaching the western coast of Chile. Once lighting conditions are sufficient, flight control teams here will give the crew the go, again Peggy Whitson and Jack Fischer, the go for capture. They'll start using the station's robotic arm to capture the Dragon spacecraft. Two meters from capture. One meter to capture. Reporting a good alignment so far. Over the pin. Capture in progress. Still holding, awaiting for the snares to close.
And Houston Station on 2, capture complete. Go for post-capture reconfiguration.